We heard from Gabby Petito's fiance, Brian Laundrie's family attorney, Stephen Bertolino, as the family gave new information about when Laundrie allegedly left the family home. So I do want to head out to Northport, Florida, where Fox's Phil Keating is joining us from outside of the Laundrie family home with the latest. Good morning to you, Phil. What can you tell us this morning?
Good morning, Regina. According to the family attorney for Chris and Roberta Laundrie, Brian Laundrie's parents, they simply got their day wrong by one day of when they last saw him when he left the house in the Mustang to go out on that hike, never to return. He's been gone, as you mentioned, for about 3.5 weeks. So what does an extra day get you? I mean, they still didn't report him even missing until that Friday, which is 4 days after he was last seen here at the house. So 1 day difference, the police still wouldn't have known he was missing, so it would not have advanced their search for him, perhaps even a little bit faster. The sister of Brian Laundrie, she did speak a couple of nights ago. She says she doesn't know where he is. According to the family attorney of the parents, they say they don't know where he is. The sister says if she could contact him, she'd tell him to turn himself in. Bottom line, the parents, when they come in or out of the house, which is extremely rare, they're essentially holed up in there because there's been tons of media and cameras out here. They never say anything to reporters. Throughout it all, they have barely provided much information to the investigators. And on Dr. Phil yesterday, all 4 parents of Gabby Petito, her biological parents and the step parents, they all sat down with him for a big interview, and they say they last talked to her or texted or FaceTimed at the end of August. And as the days went by and they turned into weeks that they still hadn't heard from her, they were getting worried and more worried. So they were calling the Laundrie parents, texting the Laundrie parents, leaving voicemails, and they say not a single one was ever returned. Even when the final text sent said simply, "We're calling the police." So where Gabby Petito remains, her remains are still at the coroner's office out there in Teton County, Wyoming, not far from where her body was found and that national forest about 2.5 weeks ago. It was September 11th, her parents reported her missing. But then it was 2 days later, not 3, that the Laundrie parents say he disappeared. And 4 days after that is when they finally reported him missing. As I mentioned, the attorney just simply said they all got their day wrong by just one. Of course, the parents sitting down with Dr. Phil and a two-parter saying when they found the remains of an unidentified body, their worst fears were suspecting that this is probably going to be Gabby Petito. Jim Schmidt, the stepdad, he had flown out to Wyoming to help join in the search for his daughter. And after the unidentified body was found from the crime scene, one of the investigators brought a piece of fabric to him and showed it to him and said, "Do you recognize this?" And he immediately recognized it as being part of one of Gabby's sweatshirts, which was locally bought in New York. And then, as you can imagine, for all 4 of them, it was just the finality of it all. Their worst nightmare had just come true. Back to you, Regina.
Yeah, Phil, it was really emotional to watch that interview. We also heard her stepfather say that he had to use her tattoos to identify her body because it was just so decomposed at that point. Now, Phil, what did her parents say when Dr. Phil asked them, do you think Brian Laundrie is still alive? Do you think he's dead? What did they have to say about that?
That's interesting you mentioned that. All 4 of them are in agreement. They all think Brian Laundrie is still alive. They think he is still on the run. But of course, nobody, FBI, local law enforcement, or even them, know where exactly Brian Laundrie is. According to his sister, he had gone up to the Appalachian Trail numerous times in his past, staying, camping, living on not much for up to 5 days at a time. Even though she describes him as a quote, mediocre survivalist, he clearly knows how he can survive camping. All you really need is a water filter pump and a stream, and you've got the water that you need to stay alive. And he apparently bragged to a former co-worker a year or 2 ago that he one time camped out for weeks and weeks living on nothing but cheese and peanut butter crackers. So, you know, he is a wanted federal fugitive for alleged bank fraud, only detailed by the FBI as saying he used somebody else's ATM card in the last 3 days of August for totaling more than $1,000. So if he paid for gas driving 3 days back to Florida, he could still have a lot of cash left. And, you know, if you're going to eat very minimally, you can get by for a long time. The problem with all of these possible sightings tips that have come into sheriff's departments up and down the Appalachian Trail is that they actually have found some of these people who were reported, we think that might be Brian Laundrie. Well, they're white, they're young, they're shaved head, and they have facial hair, which unfortunately is not uncommon in any town in the U.S. these days. There are a lot of guys with that look, and so not one of those tips or leads has turned out to be Brian Laundrie. One guy from Florida said he was up there and he thought the guy was him in the driver's seat of a white or light pickup truck. Local deputies came around and they never found the guy nor the pickup truck.
Yeah, I know, and we know, as you just mentioned, that all of these tips, all of these claims that he's being seen, nothing officially confirmed yet. So, Phil, thank you so much for keeping us updated here throughout the week on this case. A lot of twists and turns as usual. So we really appreciate your reporting and your insight. We hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe out there.
Thanks to you as well.